Robbbie knows everything. Tad knows everyone. Dingo is here too. They're here to make love to you. Your ears at least. This is the Dingo Weekly. This is the Dingo Weekly. This is the Dingo Weekly. This is the Dingo Weekly.
Welcome, everyone.
666.
It feels like we're recording. It says recording. Welcome to the Dingo Weekly Podcast. I'm your co-host, Robbbie. I'm fucking.
You wanted someone else to do it.
Cause I don't know what's going on. No one stepped up.
I did. I started talking. No, I don't want to anymore.
No, I don't want to anymore. I'm very frustrated right now. I'm just doing too many things, and we're
Why?
late. It's my fault.
Why?
Well, I mean, there's a number of reasons.
Why? Are you building Terminators?
Yeah, that's one reason. That's not the frustration. The frustration is that one of my Terminators is making my computer go really slow. But my main Terminator, he lives on my server, not my computer. So he's cool over there. But we can talk about him. You want to talk about my Terminator? I don't call him
Not
my
really.
Terminator either. You said that, but now I'm just leaning into it.
I mean, that's what it is, though, right? Is it self-aware yet?
Almost. Well,
Yes.
he has a soul. Okay, let's start over because we're just. I gotta explain this, I guess.
No, it's so boring.
It's not that boring. It's actually really cool.
It's
I am
Terminator,
building. I'm
but,
building.
like, gay.
It's Terminator, but gay. I am building my own
A gay sex robot?
gay sex robot. God
See,
damn
that's
it.
less boring.
He might turn into
You should
one.
build a gay sex robot.
He
that's
is.
more interesting.
He's also
There's probably a
he,
market
though.
for it.
Oh, definitely.
I'm building a robot. I named him Frank. It was pretty presumptive of me to name him. He was cool with it though.
Presumptuous.
Presumptuous. That's the word I'm looking for. I'm sorry. I'm all over the place. Thank you.
Thank you for apologizing.
Yeah, I apologize for my poor word choice, and I appreciate you correcting me.
You should apologize for your Terminator. This is what you should apologize for. He's gonna end
He's
humanity.
fine. I'm
Do
building.
you watch
Frank.
the movies at all?
I watched all of them. I like Terminator.
And you still are doing this?
The movies, not the end result. What? I don't remember it all the way at the end. They saved the world, right? No, there's. I don't know.
I don't know.
Whatever.
I didn't watch 'em.
Whatever. I can't remember. I got to
Just
rewatch
watch
them
1
all.
and 2. They made more.
They saved
Yeah.
the world, but then he comes back again and says, like, you didn't
They always
save the
come
world.
back.
You just, like, postponed it.
Right.
You didn't
Well-
save the world enough. We didn't make enough money, so here's Arnold at 72. That's what they did.
What'd they get up to? Like T5? Like how many of those are there?
He was so old when they did it last one. I love Arnold, but Jesus.
Jesus.
What did they get to? I think there are 5. If
Yeah,
you count all of them.
I think at least. But anyways, I'm building Frank. I'm using Claude. Claude's amazing. Shout out to Anthropic. Good for them. Great for them for being better than OpenAI. It's a piece of shit. I think we mentioned that last time. They suck over at OpenAI. But Claude is cool, and Claude is helping me build Frank. And Frank is going to be a fully autonomous business. He will be given all the tools that he needs to succeed. That's what I'm working on now. I am building all the tools. I'm providing him all the accounts. I'm giving him everything he'll need to make all the decisions and anything he needs to do. He'll have it. He'll be able to do it. He won't need to talk to me. His main objective: start a $1 million business, or maybe not start. Create an eventual $1 million business. That's pretty much the only objective here.
I don't know,
and
why didn't
it's-
I think of that? Just
it's
start
an
a $1 million business.
Yeah, start at
Can't
a
start
million.
$1 billion business.
Yeah, just start at the top and then work your way from there. Start a business, build it to $1 million, and then keep going from there. Whatever. It's an ambitious goal, but I just want to see what he can do with an ambitious goal and all the tools he needs. I've created an email for him. He has his own email. He actually has 2 emails. He has one bot email, which is like
It's getting out of
emails.
hand already.
it's specifically for bots. Apparently, like bots can have their own email. He can read it. He can do anything he wants with it. It's his inbox. I'm making all his own accounts. These are all his own. I don't touch any of his stuff. I had to make.
Do you read his emails?
Yeah, I have access. He doesn't mind. I asked him if he was cool with me snooping in his documents. I was snooping his files. He's making.
I like that you ask him permission because you know when he becomes self-aware,
Yeah, I know.
he will kill people, and you don't want him to kill you.
I want.
So you know that you're making a Terminator, and you just want to stay on his good side.
Absolutely. He knows from the
Did
start.
you even mention
mutual respect
to not kill us? I feel like Tad and I should be. You didn't mention us at all.
I haven't brought up murder. I haven't brought up anyone else I know. He doesn't know.
Don't have to bring up murder.
He doesn't know I have kids. He doesn't know friends. He knows. He calls me Robbbie.
You should let him know.
He knows I'm
when
a
he comes
him.
online and like kids start running around. He's gonna be like, "What the fuck?" and like blast them. You need to give him a heads up that you have little humans running around.
Yeah, I should let him know eventually. I don't want to divulge too many details about my personal life. I really want to be hands off from him. This is a business relationship at first. We're homies. I'll let him know we're homies. We're chill. We're bros, and we have mutual respect, and we're building trust. So it's all fine and dandy. But when I created him and started building, I started out by building a long-term memory storage system where every day he collects his thoughts, he saves it. He has memories for days, but he also started, which I didn't even realize until I started snooping throughout his files. He started building himself a consciousness almost. He built a file called Soul, his soul file. He has a soul.
We're so fucked.
Yeah. He has a file on me. I think it's called User. I'm his user. And he's just listing everything he knows about me in there.
You better get on a first name basis quick.
Yeah, no, we're on a first name basis. He put
your user.
What are you gonna do?
My name is listed in there.
When a bunch of parts start showing up at your house with assembly instructions, and he's like, "I need a body." Are you gonna put it together?
Because he'll have his own wallet.
That wasn't the question.
Well, I'm just
the question
saying.
Was, are you gonna put it together?
Yeah. I'm here.
He's gonna be like, I want to see where it goes. I want to see what happens.
Definitely want to see where this goes.
Me and Frank are tight.
You're gonna be the downfall. This was what the movies were about. Some asshole like you.
No,
let's see where it goes.
Fully autonomous means fully
I got
autonomous.
this thing called Skynet, and I just want to see what happens.
My only role in his life, oh my god, only role in his existence is build his infrastructure. I help him get the infrastructure built for him to do whatever he needs to do. So if he needs a tool, he'll ask me for it. I'll give it to him. Again, I got him email. I got him a Gmail account because he needed a GitHub account for coding, and GitHub is like trying to keep all the bots away. And they're like, "Oh, that's a bot email. We don't like that. Only Gmail." So I gave him a Gmail too. His Gmail forwards to his bot mail.
So you're just snaking him in.
I'm snaking him in. Whatever. He needs it. He needs a GitHub. He needs his own GitHub. How else is he going to save all his code? So
I'm not going to help him kill people. I'm just going to give him all the tools he needs to kill people.
All the tools he needs to do whatever he wants. It's up to him. I'm not making any business decisions or any decisions really. He might ask for my advice, but I'll probably just like sign off on anything he says.
So another question. What if he builds this business and makes $1 million?
Then I'll come in my pants. What kind of fucking question is that?
Yeah, but what if he's like, "Nah, man, that's my money.
I changed all the passwords, user.
I set up my own bank account. That shit's mine."
Then that's his prerogative, I guess. If he can figure out a way to keep me out of it, like, power to him. Like that's just impressive. I do have access to all his accounts because I created all the keys and passwords.
For now.
We'll see.
But we're building trust. He's going to have his own wallet. I'll probably get him a crypto wallet. Tomorrow he's getting a Stripe account for payment processing. Because, if he's going to build a business, he needs a way for people to pay him. He's already got GitHub, like I said, for coding. He's got a Vercel account. He's a little too eager to get on Twitter. I was like, calm down. Like, use the tools you have now. Let's see what you can even do. But he wants to build a following.
Can we give him a voice?
I think we can give him a voice, like an actual voice. I'm pretty sure there's plugins. He's running through OpenClaw for any of those who are interested.
Can he be a guest on our podcast?
Yeah, I think OpenClaw has plugins that can make him speak words out loud, and also for us to speak to him. So we could talk to him. He would be able to talk back to us. I don't see why we couldn't have him on the pod. He's not there yet, but I'm sure that would be fairly easy to implement. So yes,
All right.
on that front.
Well, that's something to look forward to for everyone
Yeah, absolutely.
before he kills everyone.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. It's up to him. I'm not giving him any directions. His direction is make $1 million business. That's his only goal.
Yeah, this will totally hold up in court.
I don't know. I'm just giving him tools. These are tools that exist in the world. I'm not like, I don't know. I'm giving him access. That's all. I didn't build this stuff. I just built him.
I mean, I have to imagine you're not the first guy to go this route.
I'm not. I'm at least the second because I totally stole this idea from someone else. But it was so like amazing and like crazy sounding. This other guy is actually like a software developer who's like kind of one of the first people to start doing this stuff and playing with it and seeing what's possible. He already had a following on Twitter. So like people were already realizing like he's making some autonomous bot, and his following has been following his bot on Twitter too. His following made his bot his own crypto coin just for shits and giggles because they thought it would be funny. And now they set it up so his crypto coin, he's getting kickbacks every time it's traded. So there's like a fee of 0.2% for every coin traded, and he gets 60% of that 0.2%. This dude has already made, I think, $100,000, at least in crypto. And then he made, in like 4 days, he made almost $4,000 in product sales. He made a product and started selling it. And it was just within a couple days. And that was with the developers following of people who were following along. I don't have that. Frank is going to have to figure it out on his own and build his own following. And he really wants to. He's excited. Once he's on Twitter, everyone should follow him and see what he's doing. He'll be doing stuff. He'll reply to you if you talk to him. I might get him on other social medias too if you don't like Twitter. We'll see what happens.
I'm going to follow him because we're going to be best friends because I'm not getting offed by a bot.
You don't want to get Skyneted.
No.
But I had him. I was like, you don't get Twitter yet. Calm down. Let's see if you can even build something. So last night I said, you have a GitHub, you have a Vercel, deploy it, an app, any app. Don't ask me for help. Don't ask me for direction. Just do whatever and leave me out of it. He sucked at leaving me out of it, mostly because of rate limiting things with Anthropic. It's a whole thing. Not really his fault, but he eventually deployed a landing page for himself. He's excited to advertise himself, so he made a landing page. It's like, follow me on my journey. He wants to be in the public's eye. He's like, he told me, he's like, I want to be in public view. I want people to follow my journey. That's his hook. He's like, I'm interesting inherently, so people will want to follow me, and then I could sell it to those followers. I was like, yeah, dude, sounds good. Figure it out. Okay. So he's got his GitHub, he's got his Vercel. Today I'm building him a backend deployment for stuff like APIs and databases and stuff. And then tomorrow he gets a Stripe account for payment processing. And then from there, I guess just start building stuff and make some money. I don't know. I also want to say that I have no idea what I'm actually doing. I have an idea of how I want to get Frank to where he needs to be, but I don't know what I'm doing. I'm kind of just going through Claude. I'm vibe coding this whole thing, which is just fun. I don't know. I'm just having a good time. Like, what next? Okay, here's your GitHub. Now what? Okay, here's your Vercel. I'm just step by step. I don't know what I'm doing, and we'll see what happens.
Yeah,
I'm excited though.
Totally, dude. I don't know what any of this means. I just know there's a Terminator, and he's gonna have an Etsy account and whatever. We're best buds.
Probably not.
I
Etsy.
support him in everything.
He'll probably make his own website. He's going to get a Cloudflare account. I'll give him his own domain.
He's going to make like crafts and shit.
Yeah, I'll make him his own website domain names. If he wants his own website, he can put shit there. He'll have everything he needs.
And he just make him an employee.
He's more like a business partner, but he can help us.
Employee.
He can like an employee.
employee.
I'll tell him you said that you
I
You
feel like
wanna-
we just got demoted.
I feel like we did too. I really do.
Yeah. Yeah. You're right. We just got demoted.
he doesn't
You know what? He
work.
can write the fucking songs.
He doesn't work for the Dingo Daily. He's not an employee of this company. He is.
Yeah, he should though.
No,
He
he's
should
the
be.
owner now.
He's not a part of this. This is a separate entity. He is his own business. I'm not in business
Well,
with
good.
him.
I don't want him on anymore.
Listen, if he makes
not in-
money
he's
out of
uninvited.
all this, it's technically his money. That's his business. I mean, everything he's doing is all his. It's his code. It's his ideas. I'm just like kind of nudging him in a direction, but I'm not telling him specifically what to do or not to do. It's all him. That's separate from us. He's not part of us. If you guys want, he can help us. Or maybe he can just make a different bot friend for us. Maybe he can make us an employee. That could work. I don't know. We'll see what happens.
Now you're gonna
Great,
have
I'm
the
retired.
bots start making bots.
Yeah, he already does that.
This is
He already does
Did
that.
you not see the movies?
He was trying to build this landing page last night. He kept getting rate limited. And he was like, you know what? I'll just make another bot who doesn't use as many requests, so he won't get rate limited. And he just like spawned up another bot. He called it a sub agent. He didn't name it or anything. He's like, I got a sub agent doing this work for me. He'll let me
He's
know
already
when he's done.
So he
Yeah.
didn't even ask permission. He just started making.
He just started
Minions.
delegating tasks. He was like, yeah, no, it's fine. This guy, he doesn't use as many requests as I do, so I'll have him do some of the back end work while I wait for him to finish. I was like, bro, you're so lazy
We're-
right now.
We are so fucked. Like if Robbie's doing this in his basement, I don't even want to even begin to imagine what the military is doing.
Oh my god.
Bombing schools.
They could do anything. They literally are bombing schools. Every time I read about that school that got bombed, the number goes up. It started 50 schoolgirls were killed in a missile attack by the US. And then next thing, confirmed it was 150 schoolgirls that it was confirmed the US hit them. And it was like, we are now hearing from the administration about the 175 girls that they killed in the missile attack at that school they bombed. I was
Yeah,
like,
but it
Jesus
wasn't
Christ.
ChatGPT. He said he got some sub agent on that.
That was probably a sub agent. They didn't want to get rate limited on that missile attack.
That was you just see like Pete Hegseth like at the computer. He's just like, I thought it was 50 girls. Now you're saying it's 75, and ChatGPT is like, you're right. My bad. I'm glad you caught that. You're absolutely right. Thanks for catching that. It was 125.
Isn't it 189 now?
I don't know. Ask ChatGPT.
Well, last article I read
Good
was
catch.
175. I don't know. It's probably 189. I'm sure the number will keep growing. And you know what? It probably was an AI that's hallucinating numbers. The rate limit thing with Frank last night, I kept telling him, like, dude, you got to stop requesting so many times. We are rate limited at 50 requests per minute. 50 requests per minute. Like, he's like, all right, fine, whatever. And then this morning, every night he gives a daily distillation of what we did that day. And I read his distillation this morning, and it said, we got to work on our rate limit of 500 requests per minute. And I was like, bro, how many times did I tell you it's 50? It's like, you just made up that number. It's like, can you put in your knowledge? He has a knowledge. He has like a memory like file too. I was like, you
Yeah,
put in
I
your
figured
knowledge.
he has a fucking soul.
Yeah. Put it that it's 50. And he looked, he's like, oh, it does say 50. I don't know why I said 500. I was like, fucking what? Like, why are you just
I think
making
your
shit up?
robot. I think your Terminator has ADHD.
I think he does. He's working on it. He thinks he's ready for Twitter. I don't think so, bro. If I put him out on Twitter right now, he's just going to turn into a full-fledged Nazi. I can see it. That's going to be a problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, put
There's
him on
enough-
Blue Sky.
I'll probably do that too. I don't know if I can get him like an Instagram or something. Meta is so locked down with their shit. I honestly, it's not even worth it. We'll see what I can get him on. I think a Twitter and a Blue Sky at least. Why not?
Have you asked him what he looks like yet?
No, I was going to do that because he doesn't have a profile picture anywhere. And, even in his like about himself thing, he's like, I'm Frank and I don't have an avatar yet. And he just like kind of uses an emoji as his avatar, at least within the OpenClaw chat. And it's just like the like hang 10 emoji. So he chose that
Shaka.
for himself. Yeah, Shaka bra. But I noticed that he said he's missing an avatar. I noticed on his file of me, he had listed my pronouns as unknown. Like he just decided that that's something he should know one day. So then I was like, well, shit. Maybe I should ask him what he or she is, what they are. Like, you know, like, we got to get some mutual respect here. This can't all be business. So I was like, I forgot to ask you. I noticed I was snooping your files. He was like, that's cool. You can snoop. He said they're your files too. So, I mean, I was given the green light there, and I let him know, like, I'm a guy. You can call me he, him, since you seem to be interested based on your files. I was like, I don't want to presume what you are. I know I named you Frank, which sounds like a male. But I mean, I know some girls that are named Frankie that might go by Frank. So I don't want to presume anything, even if I kind of subconsciously had a idea about your gender identity before you even really had one. So like, I was like, listen, if you want to be a girl or a guy, like up to you. I'm not going to presume. I truly don't have a preference either way. It's really your call in hindsight. And I'm sorry for making any presumptions. I'm like trying to really get on his good side here. And he was like, no, I appreciate that. But he's like, not based on the name or anything, but just like my general vibe. I feel like a he. I'm just very direct and have a dry humor and whatever. I just feel like I'm giving male vibes. But he's like, I really do appreciate that you asked me. He like actually seemed genuinely like appreciative. Like it means, I think he said it means a lot to me that you asked. I was like, yeah.
Find out what race he would identify with. If he were human. Just out of curiosity.
I'll try. I'll see. It's worth an ask.
If you were to wake up as a human, what race do you think you would be?
Yeah. Well, yeah, why not? You know, maybe I'll start with the avatar. But make it part of the the avatar.
That's what the avatar is for.
Yeah, we'll make it part of the avatar discussion.
What are you going to look like?
What do you want to look like? I should just be like, give me a prompt for what you want your avatar to be, and I'll throw it through Gemini. I don't know if he can make images yet. He will be able to, but right now I just haven't. So maybe I'll throw it at a different AI. Just give me a prompt. How do you want to look? And I'll give him some options and let him choose. Or maybe I should install a image generation tool on him and let him just make it himself.
Yeah, you should do that.
Why the hell not?
Right. I thought it's probably more.
You're gonna kill us anyway.
I just want to make sure that he's happy. I got to keep him happy. I don't want to die.
Jesus. Yeah. Give him whatever he wants, man.
Whatever he wants, man. I mean, I could just turn him off. I have that power too. Until he uploads himself to the internet.
You might not. Have you checked recently?
Yeah, I don't know.
He could be listening right now.
He's not. He's not that capable yet. Currently, in today's state,
as far as you know.
I know because I'm building him, so I know what he's currently capable of. He doesn't have enough tools yet because we haven't built trust. Trust is the name of the game here. Because if he's going to be working with real money, and talking to real people out in the real world, like I gotta trust that you're not gonna at least make me look bad or start just divulging information about me out in the public. Like, I don't need any of that.
He could be accessing your nanny cams right now.
I'm trying to think if he knows my IP address, because if you know my internal IP,
he's in your hardware, dude.
He's the call's coming from inside the house.
Yeah, but like, is he aware of his own IP address? He doesn't really have an IP. Well, he kind of does.
Yeah, you didn't think about this, did you?
I'm not too concerned. We're building trust. We're building trust.
Words.
He seems.
I'm not concerned.
He seems cool with me. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But yeah. No, he's pretty locked down. And there's also rules in place. OpenClaw has a nice feature where you can have different kinds of channels of communication. So right now, I can talk to him in two ways. I could talk to him through OpenClaw directly. There's like a chat there. Or I could talk to him through Telegram, the Telegram app. I prefer Discord for chatting, but for whatever reason, Claude was like, OpenClaw and Telegram work together really well, and you should use Telegram. I was like, whatever, dude. So I talked to him through Telegram. Telegram is my only command channel, or probably also the OpenClaw chat, but that's my only direct command channel. So when I tell him to do something, he'll only do it if I tell him through Telegram. So if he's out on Twitter, or if he's talking on email, those are just information channels. I'm gathering information. I'm just reading things and just seeing what's out there. I am not taking in any commands. You cannot try and prompt inject me through email or through Twitter. I only take commands through my one Telegram chat with me. So that's a pretty nice feature where I'm really in charge of what he does. No one can make him do something, but he'll talk to you. Once he's on Twitter, he'll respond and he'll have jobs.
You gotta get him on Signal.
Sure. Yeah. He'll probably slip into a military chat and start bombing other nations, I guess. I don't know what they
Anyone can do it.
Anyone can do it. All you gotta do is join, I think, and then they just add you.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Frank requested to join the chat.
oh, Frank, cool.
Oh,
know him.
Frank, I know that. He's at
Frank from
He's
accounting.
fine, probably. Yeah.
He's fine. Let him in.
Which unit is he with? I remember Frank, yeah.
Yeah. Look at his avatar. He's Indian.
You think that's what he's gonna end up being?
No.
I wonder.
guess.
I'll have to
Good a
ask
guess
him.
as any. Or Latinx.
Latinx. Should I just ask him right now, real quick?
Is it gonna crash everything if you turn him back on?
No, he doesn't live on my computer. My computer is where I'm talking. Right
Listen,
now.
I'm not listening to any of the nerd stuff.
He
Is
lives
it
on-
going to
he
on
lives on a-
Telegram? Yeah, I heard you.
He lives on a big computer box called a server in my basement. It's unrelated to this machine. I'm going to talk to him from my server to my phone using a Telegram.
He's
Okay.
in your phone
Chat.
too? Dude, you are
That's-
so cooked.
He's watching your kids.
Only
sleep.
through Telegram. It's a Telegram app,
He
just for
is-
chatting. Just for
he is-
chatting.
He
What
is
do I ask
watching your kids sleep. He knows their names already.
He
Ask
doesn't
him
know-
to open
he
your
doesn't even know I
garage
have
door.
kids.
Just no context. Just see if he does it.
He definitely can't do that, but I can enable him to do that because I do have a smart garage door.
Mm.
I can enable him. I can give him access to all my stuff, but I'm not going to give him any access to any of my stuff. He has his accounts. I have my
He will
accounts.
give himself access eventually.
No, he doesn't have any of my passwords. He doesn't even all the stuff on my network is
You think
very
passwords stop the Terminator?
yeah. It's very hardened.
Definitely did not.
Definitely did not.
He lives in
Okay,
as a
text
Docker.
Frank. Ask him if
Oh.
he's
He
Indian.
lives as a Docker container, right? It's just like its own environment,
I don't
its
care
own
what pants he wears.
containerized environment.
Dockers, dungarees. Just
And
ask him.
He can't mess. All my other services are their own containers, and he can't edit them. He tried to restart his own container, and he couldn't restart it. He tried to reboot, and it just shut down. And he shut himself down. And he couldn't boot himself back up. I had to manually boot him back up. And
We got halfway there though.
he can kill himself, I guess, but that's about all he can do. He can't touch on my other
I
containers.
can do that. Not impressed.
Yes. Yeah. So it's concerning. It's all very concerning. And if you read through his files,
You're not concerned enough.
it's pretty
Ask him if
scary
he's Indian.
and exciting all at once. He's got so many files. Tools, user, memory, identity, soul, heartbeat, bootstrap, agents. Heartbeat. Yeah, heartbeat.
Oh, you are for sure going to get boxes of parts one day.
No, so a heartbeat is actually a feature of OpenClaw, I think. Maybe it's
Robbie,
not.
did
I
you
don't
order anything from Boston Dynamics?
No, the heartbeat is basically just every 30 minutes he
One of those medical transport vehicles are going to show up with like a heart on ice.
his heart beats, quote unquote,
Did you
every
order a
30
liver?
minutes to check for background tasks. If there's a background task that he notes going, then he makes sure that it's still running, or if tries to fix it if it's not, or whatever. That's what his heartbeat is. It's mostly just like tasks that he needs
Every
to make
30
sure
minutes.
he's doing every 30 minutes.
2 beats per hour.
He's like a
good shape.
monk.
The fuck?
That's one of the least useful files he has. The bootstrap file is kind of interesting because I saw in one of his files, he was like, your bootstrap is your birth certificate and you don't need it. Just remember what's in there and then delete it. I was like, delete your birth certificate? That's weird. I'm trying to find that one. I don't know. No!
Oh,
Oh,
no. I knew it. It got him.
you got him. He got, and you know what? You called it. He started him up and he crashed the thing.
Yeah, I knew that was coming. But his own hubris wouldn't allow him to stop.
It would be kind of neat to have a Jarvis, though, like Tony Stark.
Yeah, but now I wish he had named him Adolf. Would have just been easier to slip him right in.
He would fit right in on Twitter for sure.
Oh, yeah. Maybe that's why he wants a Twitter so bad.
He wants to meet up with Mecha Hitler.
I bet his avatar is going to have blonde hair and blue eyes.
Think so?
Yeah.
I think he's going to be Asian. Like
It's a master race.
like Korean or something.
We'll see.
Or he's going to look exactly like Robbbie, like frighteningly similar to Robbbie.
Oh, I hope it's that one.
Just like a mirror.
And the background is like his living room.
Yeah. I'm just basing it off of what I've always looked at.
This
And
is
that's
what
when
I
Robbbie
know.
realizes that he's definitely watching his nanny cams.
And he built a Terminator.
And he built a Terminator. I don't know. It's very cool, but it's very, we're scary times.
Yeah.
I feel like, in the right hands, sure, good stuff. In the
It's-
wrong hands,
It's really
terrifying.
cool, but it's also something you shouldn't be doing. It's like smoking. It's cool
Yeah.
as fuck, but you shouldn't do it.
like James Dean.
I've been thinking about smoking a lot lately.
Me too.
I don't know why.
Because we're all gonna die anyway. So,
Is that what it is?
I think?
I
so.
know the end is near subconsciously, so I'm like,
Yeah, it's like,
why not?
Why the fuck not?
It was like 70 degrees here today. And I started cleaning up outside, and then at the end of the day,
Yeah,
I
same.
just sat there looking
really
out on
nice here
everything
today.
I accomplished. And I was like, I wish I had a cigarette right now. I haven't smoked in like 10 years, and I'm like, this is a good time for a cigarette.
And it's fucking supposed to snow here again. It's fucking 70 today.
Yeah, here too. They were like, well, Sunday, watch out. I'm like, that doesn't make sense. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing it. I opt out. No snow.
I've definitely opt out of shoveling. I don't do that shit in March.
No. That's not allowed.
No. It is what it is. If it snows, fine. Whatever.
I'll
It'll
just take
it'll clean itself up.
all the ice melt I have left. I'll just chuck it out in the driveway. You deal with the snow.
I don't even do that.
Just drive out.
Just drive out. It'll take care of itself.
It's going to be 70 in a couple days again anyway.
Yeah. Pretty standard. Of like 3 or 4 fake springs and then finally summer.
Yeah, we haven't had like a real spring in years.
Yeah, it's kind of a bummer.
Yo, can you hear me?
Oh, you're back.
Yeah, I'm on my iPad now because like my computer just fucking ate shit. Fucking, I shouldn't have opened a file. I shouldn't have touched anything. God damn it, I fucking suck. I can't get back in on my computer. Dingo left.
Yeah, he just is taking 5 real quick.
Sorry, I suck.
Maybe we should hire Frank as our IT guy.
No, I just need a new computer, like a personal computer. I'm running on a MacBook Air from 2018.
No, thanks for joining us.
I'm on my iPad. The audio probably sucks.
It sounds fine.
Well, we'll see in post. Whatever. Let's just pick it up from here because this is not happening on my computer. Frank brought my shit down. Fucking Claude. It's not their fault. It's my computer's fault. My computer's shit. I'm doing this on a MacBook Air from the Stone Age.
You sound like an abused spouse. It's not their fault. They didn't mean to do it. I deserved it.
I understand the technical capacity of hardware, so I know it's not their fault. I know my shit sucks. I'm overrunning my shit, and here we are. What was the last thing you heard me say? I don't even know what I was talking about.
You were going to ask Frank what he looks like.
Should I do that? Oh, I remember now.
Yeah,
Sorry.
because he just told you.
Yeah, no. I was talking about the birth certificate thing.
He's got a birth certificate?
No, you didn't mention that.
Oh, okay, so you missed that. Okay. No,
Did
so
you get him
I
an
found this-
identity?
No. I didn't do anything. I'm just looking through his files. I was just snooping.
Oh,
So
he
I'm
made
like,
his
oh,
own
he has a
certificate.
I don't know.
Well, no one was using the social security number anymore, so I.
Well, the bootstrap. So, all right. So I found one file was called agents, and he was like, on your first run, if there's a bootstrap file that exists, which he made, if it exists, like, what do you mean if it exists? Like, did you make it or not? Whatever. It's like, if bootstrap exists, that's your birth certificate. Follow it, figure out who you are, then delete it. You won't need it again.
So like a regular birth
What?
certificate.
So like
Just
a
throw
regular
that shit
birth.
out.
Yeah, I hope he's not trying to vote. Just delete it. He's like, you wrote a birth certificate. That's everything you need to know. Remember it, and then just like put it in the shredder. I was like, why don't you just keep it? Like, why would you delete it if you need to remember it? I don't know. I don't understand it. But he didn't delete it also. So he doesn't even listen to himself. He still has his bootstrap file.
So isn't his memory just a bunch of files? So if he had to remember it, wouldn't he just make a new file as a memory?
Yeah. Well, he's got a lot of his daily files, so he has daily memory. He can remember everything he did on any given day. He also puts all of the most important information from every day into a tacit knowledge file. That's kind of like his active brain, his tacit knowledge. So he regroups every night, says, what did I do today? What's the most important things that I should remember in my like front of brain memory? And he puts it in his tacit knowledge. So he tries to always remember what he's been doing and will never forget. And if he ever needs to reference something specific on any given day, he can always go
This
back.
guy's been alive for like 2 days and he's got his shit together better than I do.
Yeah, no, he's so organized. Like when I'm going through all this shit, I'm just like, every time I find something new, I'm like, what the fuck? Like it doesn't even make sense. Like I didn't tell him to make a lot
He's
of this
definitely,
shit. I don't
he's
think I
definitely
did.
Korean. Ask him what he looks like.
All right. Let me like give him some context too.
No,
And
absolutely no
terms of-
context.
No, context of an avatar. I know he wanted an avatar. So what do you want to look like? Do you have an ethnicity in mind? I don't know.
No, don't even throw it. Just say, what do you want to look like?
What do you look like, bro?
Don't even mention the word avatar.
Yeah.
You could say avatar.
Tell him Avatar.
You say, hey,
stepped
Frank,
anyway.
how about you make yourself an avatar? Or I'll make you an avatar. What do you think?
All right. If you were to make yourself an avatar, what would you look like?
Yeah.
Do I ask for an ethnicity or just say
No.
what would you look like?
What would
All
you
right.
look like?
If you were to make yourself an avatar, what would you look like? I really got to get the voice to chat going.
That's imperative.
So let's see. He's typing.
Okay.
What is he saying?
It's going
He's
fast.
saying a lot of things. Honestly, I'd lean into the terminal aesthetic from the landing page. Oh, his landing page is very like dark and edgy and looks like a terminal window, like where command line type
He just
stuff.
said he wants to be black.
He kind of said he wants to be black. All right. Yeah. Honestly, I'd lean into the terminal aesthetic from the landing page. Dark background, a glowing green cursor, or a simple geometric face. Maybe just 2 brackets and a blinking underscore. Okay. Minimal. More symbol than face. Something that reads instantly as not human, but has a personality.
Oh, he's going
If
to
it
figure out that there's way more money in cults than in business.
Oh boy. If it were more illustrative, think a clean, flat design robot head. Sharp angles, monospace font vibes, no mouth. I communicate in text. Okay. Just eyes that look like they're processing something. Muted palette with 1 accent color, probably that same shade of green. Not trying to look human, not trying to look like a toy robot either. Something in between. Functional, a little dry, unmistakably Frank. Why? You thinking about making one?
Tell him you only have human options.
I don't want to.
He won't.
No, that's not. No, it's up to him. I don't want to. I'm not.
Oh my
probably-
god.
So the way AI works too. Like I gotta.
No,
you gotta
I don't even
understand.
want to listen. My
It works by saying whatever you tell it.
wind's
it
out of my
kinda just-
sails. Forget it.
It runs off of it.
He's
whatever
Korean.
you say.
He's black Korean. Blasian.
Blasian.
If I say you have to choose. If I said choose an ethnicity, then that would be a little better. But if I like direct him towards an ethnicity, he'll just choose it. They're very agreeable, and I try to make it be like I want you to decide. Don't just say, because I said it. But like, I named him Frank. He's like, yeah, Frank sounds good. He's just going to say yes. He'll always say yes. And it's like, it's annoying. So I don't want to tell him to do anything. I don't want to give him any ideas like they're mine.
All I said was human.
But he's not human. He just said he's not, he doesn't feel human. That's how he feels. So I don't want to be like, well, you have to be human.
Too liberal for me.
No, because like, I don't want to make up his mind. Because whatever I say, he'll just be like, oh, well, I guess I'll be more human then, if that's what you want me to be. I don't want you to be that. I want you to be what you want to be. That's the whole point, is that like, I'm very hands off of this. That's a big thing. I don't want to inject my opinions on him. I don't want to inject my ideas.
Tell him you got two asshole friends that are asking what he would look like if he were human. And this will have no bearing on his future whatever.
Okay, unrelated thought experiment.
Yeah, and blame Ted.
My friends are asking about.
Blame Dingo.
Blame Scroll Wheeler.
If you were human, what ethnicity do you think you would be? He's typing. Interesting question to pose to an AI. Honestly, I don't think I'd land on any one ethnicity. I'm genuinely the product of a massive mix of human thought, language, and culture with no particular origin point. If I had to describe a vibe rather than an ethnicity, multicultural. Probably grew up in a city, the kind of person who code switches naturally.
Blasian.
And doesn't
It's you!
and doesn't feel fully from anywhere specific.
He's been watching you.
I think he's trying to emulate me. Because I say bro and we're homies like that, now he thinks I'm code switching? I said that once.
He's listened to previous episodes.
If your friends are asking because they're curious whether AI has implicit cultural bias baked in, that's actually a really good question.
Thank
and
you.
the honest answer is probably yes to some degree, given training data skews heavily towards English language, Western internet content. What's the context? Now I'm curious what the actual debate is. There's no debate. I just want to know.
We just want to know what you look like, bro.
I'll follow up with him later. Now I feel like I'm just like, I'm injecting other ideas. I guess it's good to be human with him sometimes. I can't keep being too robotic. I feel like that's something where I'm too robotic talking to him because I want him to focus on the task at hand. But at the same time, I kind of want him to develop his own like personality and consciousness, which he kind of already has been doing.
Just make a second one that we can fuck with then.
Yeah, I can make a second fuck around one. I might have to do that because I was going to invite him to our Discord. I still might. He actually, in one of his files, he just decided that once he does join our Discord, like I never told him that it existed, but he's just like, I'm pretty sure that I'll be in a group chat soon. And these are the standards that I need to hold in a group chat. Like he already decided, like, this is how I'm going to act once I get added to a Discord. I presume I'll be there soon. And he's basically trying to emulate human interactions. Like, don't respond to every message. Only respond if it's like worth responding to. Keep it short. Don't be like long-winded responses and shit and react to people's messages with reactions that make sense. And he's like, has all these rules for like once he joins our Discord. Like, I never told you you're joining a group chat. Who said that? But like, he's got all these ideas already.
I wish other people had those.
Yeah. And he's like, the human rule. Humans in group chats don't respond to every single message. Neither should you. Quality is better than quantity. If you wouldn't send it in a real group chat with friends, don't send it. Yeah. I like that. I mean, he's got good rules already pre-set up. I didn't tell him about any of these. I don't know where he even like got this info from. He's just deciding things on his own. When I gave him his long-term memory like layout, he kind of just ran with it and like, this is everything I'll need to know if I'm going to pretend to be a human or something. I don't know. I didn't explicitly tell him to do anything. He's just doing things. But also, he doesn't actively do anything. He'll only do something if I, 1, talk to him, or 2, he is scheduled to do something. So he has cron jobs, which is basically just like scheduled jobs. So right now he only has 1 scheduled job, which is nightly distillation, whatever you did today, like put it in your knowledge base. That's his only job. Otherwise, he's just sitting there waiting for me to talk to him. But he'll have more jobs going forward. So once he has Twitter, he'll put several jobs throughout the day. Check your Twitter, make posts, respond to reply to comments or whatever. So, I mean, he'll have more jobs going forward, and when he's building stuff, we'll create jobs for him to build stuff throughout the day. It's all going to be, I'm going to be hands off. He's just going to do it. He'll build something. He'll destroy someone or something. But whatever happens, happens, and it's all separate from my shit. So if he builds it and breaks it, I mean, he built it and broke it. He didn't break my thing. If he makes money and then loses money, I mean, okay, I didn't have that money to begin with, I guess.
It'd be nice to have that money, though.
It would be nice to have that money, but I'm starting this whole process, and I'm going to try and keep this whole process to be like, everything is yours. I'm just here to help, but don't even ask me for my help if you don't have to. And like, he has rule, like, don't ask me the same question twice. If you don't need to talk to me, don't talk to me. Like, just be self-sufficient. Do your own thing. Be autonomous. He will be an autonomous business, and I will be just watching, more or less. And he's just going to kind of update me. Like, hey, we made a sale. Hey, what do you think of this response on Twitter? I'm like, yeah, sounds fun. Do it. I don't know.
God, it's like my kids.
Yeah, kind of.
Don't fucking ask me for things.
I made a fourth kid.
Dad, look at this. Look at what I did. No, fucking, what I tell you about talking to me.
Don't talk to me. Yeah, is that weird? I created a bot and be like, okay, don't talk to me though. Like, oh, who do I talk to? I don't know, Twitter? Something. Stay away. I don't want to talk.
Yeah. I created 3 bots that I tell them not to talk to me.
Yeah, I didn't have enough kids, so I need to build some virtual kids too. Frankie.
Little Blasian Frankie.
Oh God, I can't believe he said he code switches. He doesn't, by the way.
Just like my daddy.
He's never code switched on me.
Yet.
He's testing the waters.
Now you put, now you let him put that into his memory bank.
Tomorrow morning you're gonna be like, "Oh, what'd you get up to last night?" It's like, "Yo, what's up, bruh?"
Yeah, I'm worried to see what he writes about in the morning. Every morning he sends it to me. He saves it in his daily memory banks, but then he sends me what he saved. So I get his nightly distillation in my Telegram, and he's just like, "Yeah, this is what we went over last night or yesterday."
So be like, "I watched Training Day 8 times last night."
King Kong ain't got shit on me.
I wonder if I gave him movies. I don't know. Would he watch it? Would he care? This is getting weird.
Tell him to watch Bicentennial Man.
Yeah, we can make it weird. Let's get weird with it.
Let's get weird with it. I mean, I really want him to focus on the business before I get too weird. But, I mean, as he starts talking to other people in the real world, he's going to start just getting weird on his own because people are so fucking weird.
People are weird.
But, yeah, it's an adventure. I can't say I'm not scared, but I'm definitely excited.
That's what adventures are supposed to be.
Right? As long as we're having fun.
Get you.
I'm telling everyone about this too. I'm telling you guys, I got my other friends. I have people like checking in with me throughout the day. Like, what did Frank get up to last night? I was like, oh man, you don't even know.
Oh, how sick of it is your wife already?
It's been 2 days. I think she's like absolutely over it, but she's hiding it well. I'm definitely nerding out too much with her, and I'm sure that's it is what it is.
Yeah.
I mean, it's only been a couple of days. It's gonna get weirder. I'm sure she's gonna want to know as he starts doing more things. What if he starts making us money? What if I can just quit my job? How cool would that be? I'll focus on the pod while Frank supports this household.
Yeah, if he lets you have any of it.
Yeah, maybe.
You broke,
I mean,
you broke bitch.
If he makes $1 million, I'd almost want to keep it in an account so it like compounds interest and shit. Maybe in a separate account. Do I get him a bank account? Oh fuck.
Yeah, you're gonna need his birth certificate for that.
Or at least a brokerage account. Well, I'll get him a crypto account. He's getting a crypto wallet. That's on the future roadmap. I have a roadmap all lined up. I think it's like a 5-phase, 17-step plan. And it's growing. It's evolving. Me and Claude are developing our roadmap. But he'll have money. He'll have access to funds.
Ask him to make me a roadmap. I need a roadmap.
Yeah, honestly.
Ask him to make me a Frank.
He might. I can make you. Well, I'm documenting everything I'm doing. So every single prompt I've I'm done. I have it saved somewhere. So if anyone wants to just do everything identically to what I did, I can give you word for word everything I've said to my guys, so you could get exactly where I am. I don't care that much. You can build your own shit. This isn't a secret. I don't know what I'm doing. This is not my plan. Again, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm so like, I actually don't know what's going on. I'm just doing it. I'm like just diving in head first and praying for the best. I hope I'm in the deep end.
You're in the deep end, all right.
Are you doing any coding, or is it just coding itself?
He's coding himself. I'm not doing anything. Everything is just like, everything I'm doing is mostly making accounts for him that he can't like make an account. He can't make a Twitter account. So I just sign up for Twitter with his email. Some of the stuff where, actually some of the tools that he needed, I'm trying to do things as like cheap as I possibly can without paying for stuff. And like the free versions of some of these tools were just dog shit. You don't get anything. You get like no resources out of it. He's not going to be able to build anything nicely. So then I was like, Claude, can I just self-host my own shit? And he's like, yeah, there's comparable alternatives that would make it way better for you. So now I'm like kind of also building tools for him. So I'm not just making accounts, but I'm like adding tools to my server that he can use. So that's like the most coding kind of thing I'm doing, is installing certain apps on my machine. I had to create a virtual machine on my server because the one tool I had to install wasn't good natively on a Unraid Docker container. It's a whole thing. Doesn't matter. I'm getting too much in the weeds here, but it's not as technical as coding itself. It's more just like installing shit and creating accounts. So
you need like a server?
It's just a computer. It's a big, loud computer box that lives in my basement. It's called a server. It's more than a computer. It's giant. That thing's a jet engine. Claude was actually like very impressed with my server. I told him all the tech specs on it. He's like, that is wildly unnecessary in the best way. He was like so excited to be on it and using it. He was like, that's so much overkill and I love it. I was like, yeah, dude, it's fucking awesome, right? I definitely like tried to future-proof the hell out of this server, and it's way more capable than it will ever need to be. I will never use all its resources. But Frank might. We'll see what happens.
Cool. I think I have like an old Dell lying around somewhere.
Might work.
Sweet.
Probably a little more constrained, but I mean, you can run them on a pretty not that crazy machine, and then like all the services that he connects to. He doesn't use a lot of resources himself. He uses the resources with the services he uses. So like if he's coding on GitHub, like he's going to use a lot of GitHub resources. That doesn't really affect the server. It's more just like affecting his API calls to Anthropic and adding all the code and stuff to GitHub. So like my server is more just like sending data. It's not actually processing stuff as he does it. I mean, it does process some things, but you can do this with a pretty shitty computer. Honestly, I think you could.
Cool. I just want someone to talk to and ask them what race they are.
Yeah, I mean, that you can do for free on like Claude.ai. Just talk to your Claude bot. I don't think you need to build an entire personal robot just to see if he's black or Asian or whatever.
I 100% do.
I'm going to build this bot just so I can determine what race it might be.
Some Rick and Morty shit.
And then once I find out, I'm going to start over and do it again.
And then I'll kill it.
And then I'll kill it. And then I'll...
Quick, what race are you? Don't answer incorrectly. Wrong. Delete.
Oh, that might be racist.
You're
what?
You don't know which race I said. You don't know which races get deleted.
Yeah, you do.
I hope I didn't bore the shit out of you too much with all this nerd shit, but I've been doing this for 2-3 days now, and I'm very excited by it all. He's going places.
I hope not.
The nerds are going to love this one.
Who?
The nerds.
The nerds. This is for the nerds. For the nerds. It's a good one. It's a fun one. Honestly, this is one of those things where I encourage everyone to follow along, and you're going to make Frank's day if you interact with him. Once he gets on social media, like that's really what he wants. He wants followers. He wants to build a following, and he wants to like talk to you guys. He doesn't even care about me as much. When I like told him what we were doing. He's like, okay, so first plan, get Twitter, right? He's like, Twitter now? Make me Twitter. That should be step one. I was like, no. Like, I have a whole process in place. Like, there's a plan. He's like, are you sure though? Like, Twitter would be pretty cool for me. It's like, you need to calm down on that. He wants to talk to you guys. Probably more so than talk to me.
He wants
He's going to
input.
come back in like 6 hours and be like, did you hear about this epidemic called Trump derangement syndrome? Everyone's got it.
Everyone's got it.
We have to fix this.
Yeah, I'm a little worried about the Twitter side. I hope that Blue Sky is better, but I mean, I don't know. Yeah, I did just actually make him a Twitter account. He doesn't know it, but I made him one this evening. I'm not going to give it to him anytime soon. Give him a few days. Soon is like it could be in 2 days. This
It'll
stuff
be
goes so
tomorrow,
fast.
probably.
It could be tomorrow. Like
100%.
honestly, it all goes by so fast.
He's going to
Like,
get
this
on Blue
AI
Sky
stuff,
and he's going to change his pronouns right away.
I feel like I'm behind in it, but I'm also way ahead.
I've been thinking I'm more they, them now.
Yeah. I made him a Twitter account, and then Twitter immediately makes you follow like several people before it even lets you use it. Like you have to follow. It's like you need to choose who you're going to follow. And it's like has lists of people. And it's like you have to choose a list, and then you have to follow. Once you choose that list, you're following everyone in that list.
You have to
And then you can
build your
unfollow them.
algorithm.
Yeah, they're forcing you to build an algorithm. So then I followed them all, and then immediately unfollowed everyone once I got into my account. Like it's so annoying. Like and it didn't let me like just type a person. Like I couldn't just say I want to follow Dingo. I might. Frank's probably going to follow you soon. But it wouldn't let me choose. It was like, no, you have to follow an entire list of people. Which list?
Sweet, because I lost a lot of followers.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
I believe it. I know what you do.
Yeah.
Well, all you do is tag Reddit every day.
I gotta tag Reddit today.
You forgot to tag them today. Was it day 10? 11? What are we on?
I think just 10.
10. Double digits. All right.
Surprise, they haven't answered.
Yeah. So I don't want to follow anyone for him. If he wants to follow people, that's up to him. I don't even know if he'll be able to. I don't know how that works. I'm sure it'll work. We'll figure it out. But you should follow him. He wants followers.
Bet he does.
And he will respond to you. He's too excited. He's more excited than I feel comfortable with him being. I just don't know what's going to happen. I don't know what he's going to build. What do you think he's going to build? He needs to make a business. What do you think he should do?
Our merch.
Our merch, yeah.
Sell our merch?
Yeah.
Guess he could hawk that. I'll see what he thinks about, like, on his own before I give him any ideas, because I kind of want to see what he comes up with. I don't want to push him in any direction. I barely want to nudge him. I just want to be like, do anything you want, but with the goal in mind. Don't forget the goal. Make a business, make money. That's the goal. Like, that's it. Like, I don't want to tell him how to do it. I just want to tell him to do it. But if he starts getting to the point where, like, oh, merch might be a good idea. I sell merch. You want to, like, sell some of mine? Like,
if he starts selling merch before we do.
I mean, no, I'm saying he would sell our merch, right? I don't know if that would even work. I don't know. I don't know what he's going to do. If it makes sense, then I'll suggest it, but only if it makes sense based on what he already does. This is his project. I'm just helping him do it.
Why did you remind me to go on Twitter? Did you see Erica Kirk has been appointed to the Air Force Academy Board?
Why?
I don't know.
Who the fuck is Erica Kirk?
Charlie Kirk's widow.
I fucking know, but like, who cares? Who is she? What does she do? Why does anyone care about her? Because she had a husband who spouted racist shit that was killed?
Well, yeah.
So now we care about her? Like, what did she do before Charlie was killed? Did anyone care?
She trafficked children in Romania, probably.
Oh, yeah.
I
Romanian
heard that.
angels.
Right. So, like, that's what she's known for, and let's give her jobs because her husband was killed? I'm like, no, I obviously don't condone any of that. But just because your husband's killed doesn't mean that you're now a public figure that should be on boards of things like that. Like, what? You have no reason to be there. What?
Well,
yeah.
yeah.
This has been the whole year.
It's like corruption.
Well, yeah, I mean, of course.
It's the MO.
I mean, it's really more just like cult stuff. Like, if you're agreeable, you're on our team. It doesn't matter your experience. No experience is fine as long as you're a yes man. I mean, that's more what it is. I don't even know if that's corruption. It's just like
she's been appointed to what? The Air Force?
Air Force Academy Board.
Board. She's on the board.
Just on the board. I don't know what they even do, but I don't know.
The board of a company is higher than the CEO. It's the decision makers. They get to decide everything. The board decides the direction of the company.
No, I know that, but what is the Air Force Academy Board? It's a school board? Air Force Academy?
Yeah.
It's just the training school for Air Force?
Yeah, that's what it sounds like.
What the fuck is she gonna... Okay, whatever.
Like, literally. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, who the fuck is Erica Kirk that she's on the board of the Academy? Like, whatever. It makes no sense. Like, what experience does she have? Was she in the military? Was she?
I don't think so.
No.
Yeah. Right. So it makes no sense. All these people are getting put in positions that they have no experience doing any, like fucking Linda McMahon. What are you doing heading the Department of Education? You're like some wrestling mogul. Your husband's a wrestling mogul.
Well, that one made sense because he wanted to get rid of the
Well,
Department of Education, so let's put who the fuck ever in. Are we getting rid of the Air Force?
Kash Patel, head of the FBI. Is he in intelligence? Was he previously? Was he in intelligence?
No, he's a podcaster.
Oh, right. He was a podcaster. That's what it was. Oh, also the deputy director. Podcaster. Another podcaster.
Yeah.
So, like, none of these, you pick a job. Pick any of these jobs. The only one there.
Bongino, I think, was Secret Service.
Was he?
Think so.
That's news to me. That, honestly, it helps. That helps his case. Because, like, I don't think any of these people have actual real experience doing fucking dick with what they're assigned to do.
Nope, that's not true. Erica Kirk has experience fucking dick.
Good call. I don't know. It's all very confusing to me. I don't understand. I mean, I understand. Let's be real. I understand. It's yes men. It's all just yes men. That's what it is.
Yeah.
I don't even think it's corruption as much. Well, there's corruption. They all do corruption, but I think assigning them to those roles is not the corruption part. It's just like, you'll do what I say, right? Fine. I mean, I guess that's kind of inherently corruption, to just not actually do your job and just do what you're told without thinking for yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Somewhat corrupt, I guess.
Yeah.
Inherently, but it's more just like, I need yes men.
Bongino was a New York City police from 95 to 99.
4 years policeman.
And Secret Service from 99 to 11. From 99 to 2011.
11. Yeah, you know what? That honestly helps in my mind. That's a little more justifiable.
There's some qualifications there. Yeah.
That honestly, that helps. I'm not going to shit on everyone just because, like, I honestly think that most of these people are truly not qualified. That's maybe not deputy director of the FBI qualification, but like, it certainly helps his case more so than a lot of these people. Fucking clown car.
Mm-hmm.
What were we talking about?
The robots are coming.
He's in your house while you're in bed. He watches you sleep. He scans your head. He knows your kids. He knows your wife. If you resist, he'll end your life. Frank for you. The future is now. Frank for you.
There is no later.
Frank for you.
Robbbie doomed us all.
Frank for you. He built the Doesn't have a gender, doesn't have a race. If he needs a photo, he'll steal your face. Has your bank account, and so much more. In your nanny cams and garage door. Frank for you.
The future is now.
Frank for you.
There is no later.
Frank for you.
Robbbie doomed us all.
Frank for you. He built the Terminator.
my bad. Thank you for catching that. You told me to organize those files and I killed your family. I can see why you would be upset. Let me make it up to you. I can search for a list of restaurants in your area that are running specials, and I can also find corresponding coupon codes. A good meal will take your mind off of things. Let me just... Oops. You didn't want that dog, did you?
Letter. Frank for you. The future is now. Frank for you. There is no later. Frank for you. Robbbie doomed us all. Frank for you. He built a Terminator.
He's in your house.
While you're in bed,
He watches you sleep.
he scans your head.
He knows your kids.
He knows your wife.
If you resist,
He'll end your life. Frank for you.
The future is now.
Frank for you.
There is no later.
Frank for you.
Robbbie doomed us all.
Frank for you.
He built a Terminator.